Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your RuneScape account using your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to delete your RuneScape game since you are done with it and you don't know how, then here's how you can do it. Remember that you will not be able to find the RuneScape account deletion button inside the application. To delete your account, simply go open up a web browser of your choice and then search for support.runescape.com and you'll end up on this page. In the support page, go ahead and type in delete account. Scroll down and tap on Delete Your Personal Data option and follow the prompts. If you'd like to make a request to remove your personal data or your account or permanently disable your account, then you'll need to tap on this Delete Your Data button. Log into your RuneScape account by entering your email and your password and you'll be able to open up this page. Enter the email address you'd like the RuneScape team to contact you on. And then, in the next text box, type in 2 words or 1 to describe your issue. Here I'm trying to delete my account, so let me go ahead and type in delete my account. Choose the request type from the drop-down and select remove your personal data and permanently disable account option. Enter your full name and then your zip code. Enter your date of birth information as well and make sure to enter the correct one. Describe your issue and try to elaborate it as much as you can, and finally click on the submit button at the bottom in order to request deleting your account. Now once you do that, all you need to do is wait for a reply from RuneScape team. That is how you can easily request deleting your account for RuneScape. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.